This is a used, very gently used 2022 Cimarron 6 Plus head-to-head. I'll show you what I mean by the plus. It could be a +1, it could be a +2. In the center aisle, I've got a divider, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute. So it's a 2022. The trailer was built in October of 2021 and delivered to a customer. Circumstances for the customer have changed, and the trailer is available for sale. It's pretty loaded. If you know the Cimarron name, you know the quality. It's got insulated walls in the horse area, an insulated fiberglass roof throughout the trailer. There are a few things I'm going to show you that are great about it, and one thing that I'm going to show you that is a little bit of an issue. Full transparency here at Trailer Country. So Cimarron has a stainless steel nose, which is very nice. This trailer obviously has white skin. It's got a hydraulic jack, equalizer hydraulic jack. It also has hydraulic brakes on the 8,000-pound axles, so that is the pump for those hydraulic brakes. Westlake spare tire on an aluminum wheel. Those are nitrogen-filled tires, the Westlakes. Battery box here, which is locked, but that has a deep cycle marine battery in that battery box to operate that jack, and the lights on the trailer. That is the little manual override for this jack, so if your battery should die, you have a little pump manual override there. This trailer came to me from Florida. It was washed with a chemical that did not react well with the extruded aluminum skin, so that is something I'm going to show you and tell you about. That's why we're super careful. We tell all our customers to wash their trailers with a high quality auto soap. Things like Purple Power and other caustic materials can do some damage to the skin. So when this trailer got here, the skin did not look great. We had someone come in and polish this extruded, but you'll see a few places on it. Obviously, you can't see it from far away. If you get up close, you're going to notice it, and it's something I want to be able to tell you about. So you'll see where we've just done some polishing on it. There's some areas that are a little darker. Some of that will come off. You can see on my finger just from polishing. But the gentleman came in and worked on that for about 3 days, and this is what we came up with. So it could probably be polished a little bit more. As time goes on, it's going to experience some other road chemicals and things. You'll never know, but I'm pretty upfront and want you to know that today. So this is the 2022. Very gently used Cimarron, probably made one trip from Ohio to Florida. On the dressing room, obviously we have a ramp on one side for loading tack trunks. I've got an entry door on the street side so that if you need to get down in there without putting that big ramp down, you can do that. 6 saddle racks on post. These saddle racks will come out of this trailer, so they're easy to take in and out here if you don't want the saddle racks. You can also slide these blanket poles and saddle racks up and down on the post. Huge nose storage there. Sorry, a little tongue-tied today. These are the extra breast bars for when the trailer is a 6-horse. You'll see when we get to the back that it's currently set up as a 4-horse, 2 on each end. So we've got the longer bars in there right now. Bridle hooks here on this carpeted wall. Rubber floor mat. There's the ramp for you to pull tack trunks in throughout the store. Really still an incredibly beautiful trailer, and in 6 months nobody will know the difference, but I've got to tell you today that did happen to the skin, and we have done a great job of getting that polished up. So got a side ramp here, curb side of the trailer, a bar to keep your horses inside, so that when you're using this center aisle for horses, they can't escape out of this side ramp. Like I said, the trailer is currently set up for 2 and 2 on each end. These dividers are fantastic. If you're not familiar with the sliding Cimarron divider, these are amazing. I am just one little 5'4" woman, not that little, but 5'4", and I am pretty weak, and I can move these dividers all by myself. It's basically just pulling 5 pins, 2 here on the divider, so there's one at the top, one at the bottom. Same thing on the back. I'm not going to try to do it because it'll be like Blair Witch Project here, but there's one in the back, at the top, and one at the bottom. We've got this nice sliding track. So when we pull those pins and pull the one out of the head divider here, then I just push this divider right over here against the wall, and it latches into place. So you can easily make box stalls out of this trailer. I'm not going to try to do it by myself again because it's a little bit of a Blair Witch Project situation. Nobody wants to go through that. Oh, that is down. Sorry, I never pulled that up. All right, so again, currently set up as 2 in the front and 2 in the back. You can see there's no marks on the walls or anything from horses. This trailer literally probably went one time. It does have tons of roof vents. Looks like I've got 9 roof vents in this trailer. We also have fans that, of course, when we washed, they put a plastic bag over an iron. I told them to reach those, so we'll get those taken down. LED lights inside of the trailer. Again, converts from 2 to 3 up there. We've got a full swing gate in front of the horses to make your box stall in the center. Nice full swing gate with bars, so you've got ample airflow there. And then we put this little human access door here in the center so that you can easily get in to take care of those horses, especially if you have a horse in the center aisle. Obviously, you can't swing that full gate. Here's what I mean by my +1 or +2. This trailer has a little divider here that swings. So you can put 2 ponies in here, 1 pony here, 1 pony or smaller horse here. So it really gives you the option for about 8 animals. This divider just swings over. You can also go this way. So when you're loading the front stalls, this door can open up. May want to take this divider out. It's just got 2 pins, pretty simple to do. So if it's easier and your horses are larger that need to come in this front stall, no problem, just pop this divider out and you can easily load some horses in there. But again, you have the option of 1 or 2 smaller animals here in the front. Rear is set up the same way. We've got a full swing gate with a little human access door, I call it. Fans are blocked off by plastic bags, and that trailer in the back is currently set up for 2 instead of 3. So you've got 2 stall and a half on either end, or 3 standard stalls. Aluminum wheels, nitrogen filled tires, no miles on those. And you can see some little dark shaded areas. There is a little place on the skin here I noticed today where when the gentleman was buffing and polishing, he did scrape that skin up a little bit. So again, I'll always be super honest and tell you everything I know. The load lights on the side and the rear, of course, are LED, all LED running lights, LED interior lights, rear ramp, top curtains with windows. We've got lots of sliding windows on this trailer. So there's ample airflow, again with the 9 roof vents inside. I'll show you up close some of this discoloration in the skin, and most of that again is just from the polish that they used, and it's just bringing some dirt to the surface, and some dirt that's just been out here on the lot is sticking to the side of that. This is a super nice trailer at a heck of a good price. This trailer is pretty loaded with the hydraulic brakes, the ramp on the dressing room, those sliding dividers. I see a lot of trailers out there like this, but without as many options for a lot more money. So this trailer is over $100,000 if you were going to get one new today, if you could get one new today, which is not very probable, but it's a really great deal on an incredibly gently used trailer. So give me a call at Trailer Country LLC. We are located in Carrollton, Virginia. We have shipping nationwide, and all the specs are available on our website at trailercountryllc.com. 2022, barely used Cimarron 6+ head-to-head trailer with a 5-foot dressing room, ramp, and door on the opposite side. Again, removable saddle rack, so you've got all that floor room if you need it. Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia, trailercountryllc.com.